How to change region in Riot account. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your region in your Riot account. This can help you connect with friends in different regions or access region-specific content. Let's get started. First, go to the Riot Games website and log into your account. Make sure to use the email and password associated with your Riot account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and from the drop-down menu select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Region section. Click on Change Region and you'll see a list of available regions, so select the one you want to switch to. After selecting the new region, you may see a warning message, so it's important to read this carefully, as changing your region may affect your account status and game access. If you're sure, proceed to confirm the change. Finally, click Save Changes to apply the new region to your account. You might need to log out and log back in for the changes to take effect. And that's how you get the region in your Riot account. If you found this video, and that's how you change the region in your Riot account. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.